In front of me is BLACKVIEW Tab 16, and today I would like to show you how you can delete a password saved in Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Passwords and Accounts. Then click on Google under Passwords and click on one of your added ones that you wish to delete. Now you need to enter your current screen log and click on Delete button. Lastly, confirm your choice in the pop-up. As you can see, after that, my password was successfully removed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!